Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove or replace door handle on BMW 3 Series generation 2005 to 2013. We'll demonstrate on the front left door, but the rears will be very close procedure. We'll have videos for the rears as well, so please check out it on the channel. We have more than 200 videos taking the car apart guys, but there is something really tricky about installing that door handle, and make sure you stay until the end so you don't cause any damage. Let's go ahead and start on it and show you how to remove and replace it now. So we will need a Torx 25 star looking bit. All the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. This cap right here now will need to be removed, that plastic cap, so just pull it out, okay, like that. Now there is one screw on the inside, one bolt actually. Okay, let me get it good. Okay, like that. Unscrew it all the way. The good thing about it is this bolt will not fall. Okay, like that. Almost out. It will get loose, but it will not come off all the way. Perfect. Now you need to grab the cylinder lock. On the bottom side you have the light. The light will stay there. Okay, and pull it out like that. Now, how you disconnect the door handle? This side will need to come up, okay, and pull it towards the side, like that. The handle, you pull out and then towards the back. And there is a special trick about it, we'll share in just a little bit. Now you can have two different kinds of door handles. The one with the wire that you can touch and unlock, or the one without the wire. Ours is with the wire, so we'll need to disconnect it. And this little piece here, you need to gently pull it up and disconnect the wire. And this is guys with the door handle out of the way. Now we'll show you how to put it together because it's very tricky job. So you need to connect your wire now if you have a wire. If you don't, just forget about it. Now it goes like that here. After that it comes only in one certain angle. Okay, and on the back side I need to get a light to show you what you need to do. Okay, so now inside, okay, let me get the screwdriver so I can show you a little bit better what we're talking about here now. Okay, that piece right here, you can see how it's stuck. So there is one metal piece, black piece, okay, like a metal piece. So let's go down with the camera more. Okay, so we can see it in an angle. Okay, perfect. This piece right here, when you install the door handle, you need to push that metal piece up. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to do that now. Okay, you can see the handle is in. I'm going to push it down, push it up, my bad. Okay, like that. And listen now. Okay, let me just grab the door with my leg here so it doesn't move. Okay, it pulled the door handle in, all the way in. Now you need to install your light. Okay, it goes like that. There is only one certain spot for it, and after that you install the cylinder lock right here. Okay, like that. And don't forget to get the bolt tight as well. Okay, you need to get it tight all the way. It will take a little bit of time. And the next step will be, okay, perfect, to install that rubber seal. And after that, this will be the whole procedure. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.